Well, well, well.
Gang's all here.
I finally get you on video.
Surprise, surprise. You had to pin me, corner me, huh?
I gotcha.
Today's the day, I guess.
Finally.
But if you really don't like, you want to use it as an office, you just keep it that way. You know, open concept kind of thing. Cool. Yeah, it's really nice. Nice little space there. A little different from a lot of things.
I've never seen that before.
Yeah, it's very unique.
It's kind of weird. Not weird, but it could be a nice office.
Or it's turned into a bar.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Party pad.
Yeah. Yeah. But yeah, this is their kitchen right here.
The backyard doesn't have much stuff out there either.
Yeah.
It's more overgrown weeds and stuff like that.
Just single story, right?
Single stories. But you notice most of the houses in the area, they're on the two-story one.
Yeah.
And you said you're probably hanging most of the things behind.
Well, he said he's been packing.
He's been packing, so he's been buying some of like the boxes and trying to put things that he knows he's gonna keep and take and stuff.
Oh, he's gonna need.
Yeah, but
What a nice shady backyard. You got these big,
outside the
beautiful trees.
a few things here and there, but the last 3 years, when his, 2 or 3 years, that's when his wife passed away. He just completely just let it go. He's been in the traffic and everything from due to that.
I would say all things considered, like when a friend does the work on the house, it's better than most.
Yeah,
Like,
yeah.
It could be way worse.
And the guy was a mechanic, just to let you know.
Okay.
Oh, man.
He was a mechanic by trade, so
Okay.
Yeah.
so that just probably forgot to get
Yeah,
that.
he did the wood glue like caulking.
Simple stuff, yeah. Put it in the window.
No.
Window's like,
Paint your countertops.
Anything with like house or car, like bringing someone in, especially car.
Yeah.
Yeah, a lot of
definitely includes everything.
No.
Yeah, would you be shocked to know that we're professional investors and that we don't know what
Cobwebs.
You don't know what you're doing. Did you
it's one of those things you
step
gotta
into a web?
There's nothing worse than a fancy cobweb.
Lots of vegetation.
For a small property, it's really a pinch.
Yeah. I know. It just takes a few years of neglect. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Just makes you like see. So here I go and I open the door and it's all nicely staged and stuff. I smell smoke. I see Modelos on the table. I'm like, what's going on
Oh,
here?
no.
And I start hearing like some noises in the garage.
Yeah, someone's in
Oh
there
dear
hanging
Lord,
out.
man! Oh God, what am I gonna do?
Oh, kids.
And it was just reeking. You know,
Oh, it's
Really?
they pissed on the floor.
Oh,
and
yeah, they don't
Oh, yeah.
care.
Like it was like,
I feel like there's professional.
It was
no,
bad.
it was the
There's
thing. It was
professional
like, this is the
squatters.
craziest.
Looks like that right
No,
It'd
I
be more
believe
trouble.
it's headache. It's a lot of
It's
stuff.
more trouble
This is
for
an
him.
investor's type situation that we try to get it out quick.
Yeah.
I can't be
I see it for a year.
even conventional. Honestly,
Nobody's